Hey nieces and nephews, this is Uncle Chris, and it's New Video Thursday.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Welcome back. I'm so crazy. I went again to the food pantry with Miss Elena. Come here, sweetheart. Say hello. I got her family some food, which is wonderful. And we went to a new food pantry. And it is a bit different because they have a bit of some high-end items. Which We're going to have that as a surprise at the end. You got to watch the video all the way to the end to see what we got. That you're going to just be like, what? They gave you what? Yeah. So come on, let's take a look. All right, we're going to start from the left all the way to the right. Hello there. We got some spaghetti, guys. This is going to come in real handy because, like I said, I not only make spaghetti, but I make cold pasta salads. As you saw, I got the bean dip coming up. And I want you guys to see the new one that's coming up. It's a real crowd pleaser. Now, back here, we got 2 cans of mixed green beans. Did you know you can make a cold green bean salad? Yes, you can. You got vegetable soup. I use this as a base for other soups. My onion soup, yeah, oh yeah. You can use a vegetable stock. Then over here, I got something I got for Jay. Maple pecan oatmeal. This will be great for his breakfast so he can take his little self to school. And then we got a whole bag of macaroni noodles. I love these because it makes a wonderful macaroni.
Expands so nice.
Yes. And it makes a wonderful casserole.
Yes, just a little handful.
I know, right?
Yes.
And then we got 3 bags of rice. We're going to make Puerto Rican rice.
Puerto Rican rice.
You know what? We're going to do, you guys want Puerto Rican rice? We're going to do it. I'm going to have Miss Elena with me, and we're going to do it. And then we got how many tortillas?
6.
6 packs of tortillas. I love this. I love it. Then back here. Now, you know something you can do with these? You can make enchiladas. You can make them with
You can
these.
make enchiladas. You can make flautas.
Flautas.
Which is like mashed potatoes and put it in there and fry the tortilla up.
Yep.
Put a little bit of cheese in there so it can stick so the tortilla won't
Absolutely.
open.
Absolutely.
Good morning.
Good morning. Then we got some spaghetti sauce back here. We got 4 cans of low sodium spaghetti sauce, and I like it that way. That way we can control the sodium.
Yes.
Yeah. Then right here, these are good.
These are good then protein.
If you ever see these,
I will always buy them.
buy them. Yes. They're
Recommend
delicious.
So much.
And guess what?
Yeah.
Low sodium.
Sodium.
Ha.
That's what it is.
We're going to jump over to here. Look at this. Cilantro avocado dressing. This stuff is expensive in the stores. I am so using this. And then we got bags of ketchup. Yes, I took these. These are great when you go on trips. You're in the car, you get some food, you know?
You know, a lot of restaurants don't even give you ketchup.
Yeah,
anymore.
they just like they don't want to give it to you. We're going to use this today on our burgers. We're going to make cheeseburgers.
Yes.
Then over here, they gave us some throat coat lozenges. That is so cool and organic.
They know the time of the season's coming.
It sure is. And we're going to be, oh God, ugh, I don't even mention it. Then we got the ice pop. Look at this. Hydration drink.
Prime.
Yeah.
The kids love Prime.
Kids love Prime. Then over here, we got some produce. Look, I got a bag.
Beautiful green apples.
Beautiful green apples. And I got some red ones. And also mixed in here, we got some sweet potatoes. So,
Yummy yummies.
if you don't know, Miss Elena loves soul food. I'm going to make her a soul food buffet. We're going to do that. Yeah. Then we got a bag of oranges. Ooh, let's open this up for them. I think we got, what, a dozen of these or more?
Yes.
Look at this. So I am going to juice these with the green apples and some ginger to make ginger shots. And you put a little honey in it. Yes. But you can also make Granny Smith pies. You can add some sugar to this. And
Apple fritters.
apple fritters.
Yes.
But you can make a simple syrup and pour
Cobbler.
into 7-Up. And you've got a drink. And if you add a little apple spirits, you've got that apple martini. Yeah.
Okay, learn something new every day.
Then over here, we got some chicken drumsticks. I got them upside down, but you see what they are. I'm trying not to show the surprise over here. We got a bag. This is a 5-pound bag? Yes. Of chicken drumsticks, which is going to hit the grill. Now, guys, are you ready for this? I've never gotten this before at a food pantry, but I got a steak.
Healthy steak.
A steak. Wait, what kind of steak is this? A T-bone?
Certified Angus.
Certified Angus?
Yes.
Yeah. T-bone steak. Wait, porterhouse. Excuse me. This is a porterhouse steak. I got a porterhouse steak from the food pantry. Wow.
Yes.
Wow. We're going to look at all the blessings we got today. And we are so thankful.
Very grateful.
Very much so. Now, guys, you saw what we got from the food pantry, and you see how much it's helping Miss Elena.
Yes, a
You
lot.
know, along with myself, because I do take care of Jay. I want you to not be afraid to go to the food pantries. I want you to erase that stigma out of your minds.
Even if you receive food stamps, it doesn't matter. There's not enough food in your house.
No.
There's never enough food in your house. It's always good to stack up because you never know when a storm is coming.
That's right. That's right. And winter is coming.
And don't
so.
be afraid and don't be shy.
No. Speak up for yourself. This is for
Yes,
you.
It's free.
And if you need food,
It's for the community.
write to us. Write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry
Yes.
Chef, at gmail.com, and I will help you. If you're in the area, I will help you.
I reached out to him.
She did.
I
She
wasn't
did.
embarrassed.
So,
I'll see you guys in the next Uncle Chris's show.
yes, and I want you to like. I want you to comment.
And subscribe.
Yes. All right. Okay. Big love.